Hi, this is Adrian with Acorn Finance. Here today to show you guys how to add our email widget to your email. And we're going to be looking at Outlook today. So we've developed this unique page with your unique dealer ID to add, to make it really simple, to add your email widget to your email. And I'll show you how to do that. So right here, as you can see, it says copy email widget. So click on this. It says widget copy to clipboard. Now go to your Outlook. Right here, you can see you log into your Outlook, right? You can very easily add it to any email that you want by clicking on new mail right here. You can draft an email and then simply go to in the body of the email, you can either right click and paste or paste with your particular options, whether you're using a Mac or a PC. There's different ways to do it with the keyboard as well, but I like to right click and add it there, and then it's very easy. Done. You can have the body of your email right up here, hi Mr. Johnson, blah blah blah, right? Yeah, very simple. The other way to do it is to add it to an email signature that you can use at any time. You can go over here to settings, and Outlook's pretty cool. You could just start typing in signature, and you could click on this email signature right here. You could name the signature, so you could say signature with Acorn, and then go ahead and put in your name, your business, and add in the widget right there, your phone number, whatever you want to do. And then here you can set your defaults, right? So you can put it for new messages. You can add it in there, whatever you want. Click save, and it's all set.